Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to give a huge shout out. This is Administrative Appreciation Day. You know what? Every company in the world has their workers. They have their grunts. They have their roughnecks, if you want to say, their boots on the ground. Then you have the corporation as well. But there's a special staff that really needs to have appreciation, and that's our administrative staff. They really are the lifeblood of any organization. And I can say here at Russ Darrow Mazda, without our administrative staff, we wouldn't get very far. They take care of all the things that we don't want to take care of, the intricate details that allow our company to move forward in the proper way, to ensure that paperwork is filed, to ensure that credit apps are taken care of, to ensure that payments are processed, to ensure that all the right details of the job are being taken care of in an orderly fashion. So I want to say thank you to all of the administrative staff here at Russ Darrow Mazda, and thank you to all the administrative staff at all the various corporations, companies that exist here in our great United States of America. So take care. From all of us to all of you, thank you for your hard work and dedication to your craft. Take care and have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.